Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from M1 Finance. We'll cover the essential steps to move your funds, whether from an investment or savings account, directly to your linked bank. You'll learn about the common transfer methods, like electronic transfers, and what to expect regarding typical processing times. This comprehensive guide aims to make your withdrawal process smooth, clear, and efficient, helping you manage your finances effectively. To begin a withdrawal, first log into your M1 Finance account using either the website or mobile app. Navigate to the Transfers section, which is usually found in the main menu. From there, you will carefully choose the specific M1 account you wish to withdraw from, such as your invest or savings account. Enter the exact amount you want to transfer, ensuring it aligns with your available cash balance. Always review all the details thoroughly before confirming your request. M1 Finance primarily facilitates electronic transfers, also known as ACH, to your linked external bank account. There is a standard daily withdrawal limit of $50,000 for most accounts. For transferring larger amounts, wire transfers are an available option, though they typically incur a $25 fee. Remember, if you sell investments to fund your withdrawal, those funds need 1 to 2 business days to settle before they become fully available for transfer. After initiating your withdrawal, electronic transfers typically take 2 to 5 business days to arrive in your external bank account. Wire transfers are generally faster, often completing within 2 business days. Always double-check that your linked bank account details, including routing and account numbers, are absolutely correct to avoid any potential delays or complications. Also, be mindful that selling investments to fund a withdrawal may have important tax consequences, so consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.